Hi everyone, I will show you how to create Facebook story highlights. First of all, you need to open your Facebook app, then tap the three lines on the top right and go to your profile and tap the three lines in the middle right, then go to your archive and tap the story archive in the top left. First you need to add your story for 24 hours. When the time is out, then your story come to your archive and you can add your story archive into story highlights. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.